What are you watching? Are you serious? Why are you watching this? What do you mean you're following the KSI Logan Paul fight? Who do you think's gonna win? Are you serious? You think he's gonna win? That's crazy. Okay, so you want to make a bet on the fight? Okay. You want to bet your car? You want to bet your car that he's gonna win? You worked so long to get that car though. Are you sure? Okay, and how about I will bet 100 boxes of dog treats? Does that sound like a good bet? Okay, fine. Okay, if we're gonna be betting, then we need to shake on it. Come on, put her there. Okay, then it's a deal. So if I lose, I will give you 100 boxes of these dog treats. Yeah, you're gonna bet your car right there? You're crazy. I know, you're gonna be so upset when you have to get rid of that. Too bad. Can you do an outro for me? Thank you. Perfect. That was awesome. Nice job.
This is the rhythm of the night.